Okay, kids, now we're going to talk about lesson 5 of the internal map of reality. And the first thing we're going to talk about is that whatever happens comes from you. So whatever is going on, whatever way you feel, it's not based on what happens in the externally. It happens as it goes through your brain filters, and it comes from you. So just keep that in mind. Everything that happens in your life comes from you. You got 6 modalities to experience something. So when you experience things, you have 6 modalities. What are modalities? Again, there are 5 senses. Hearing, seeing, sight, smell, taste, and feeling. And also thinking. So those are your 6 modalities that you have to experience life. Some modalities are better for different things. Example, for music, you want to use your listening, your auditory skills. So you have to determine what is the best modality to use for the different experiences. And some examples of modalities and what's the best one to use. Auditory, that's hearing. You want to crank up your listening, your hearing when you're listening to music, for example. If you wanted to see pictures, you'll want to crank up your modality of vision, of sight, of viewing it. If you're playing golf, something that's hands-on, you want to have your kinesthetic, your feeling, a little higher. So that's the skill you want to use. Auditory digital is like talking to yourself, your logic. If you're doing math, you'll want to use that modality. And there's different modalities, and used somewhat, but not as much as smelling and taste. And when you have food or whatever, smell and taste will come into play in those modalities. So you want to use your basic modalities to where it's resourceful for you. The next thing we want to talk about is 2 types of modalities. And one is remembered. You remember a modality. That's how you've done it before, and you constructed it. You did it for the first time. So those are two types of modalities. And within modalities, there's different degrees, and you can degrees of a major subalities. Make it, if you want to picture yourself, you can picture yourself really big or really tiny, or far away or nearby. And you can play with these to try to remember things, to get you to do things or motivate yourself. So that's games that you can play with yourself using these submodalities, bigger, smaller, faster, slower, etc. to change the way you feel about things. And that is the basic items about modalities. And that ends lesson 5. Thanks, guys.